More than ever before, corporate real estate leaders and workplace managers need to understand how their office space is being used in order to bring their workforce safely and successfully back into the office. In an increasingly volatile business world, Locatee Portfolio Insights provides the data and analytics needed to navigate the uncertainties of your organization's safety, compliance, and operations. With Locatee, you can monitor your entire portfolio's health, set COVID-specific occupancy targets, and keep every stakeholder informed anywhere and at any time. Here's how you can use Portfolio Insights to plan your workforce's return to the office. With Portfolio Insights, you can keep the overview of your entire portfolio's health, filter and view office occupancy and utilization by region, country, city, or building. See at a glance which buildings have too many people and where distancing guidelines are not being met. Portfolio Insights also allows you to set custom occupancy targets. You can easily create and adjust occupancy targets for every building in your portfolio. In this way, you can ensure that your back-to-work strategy is in line with the realities of your regional offices. Locatee lets you know whenever a building exceeds its safety-adjusted thresholds, so you can react quickly and always stay up to date. Portfolio Insights has the data to help you dig into occupancy patterns, investigate density peaks, and keep your organization's health, safety, and compliance a priority. Exportable data means that you can make executive briefings effortless and incisive and keep everyone informed at all times. If you want to learn more about Locatee Portfolio Insights, we've made a comprehensive fact sheet for you that you can download straight from this page. For more ways on how Locatee can help you and your organization, speak with one of our Locatee experts about Portfolio Insights today. Thanks for watching and stay safe.